At Dolphin Jet Boat Tours, we guarantee to get you to where the whales are. Your trip will begin in beautiful downtown Juneau, Alaska, where you'll be greeted by our crew and hop aboard a short guided bus tour across town. Once in Ork Bay, your naturalist will lead you down to the harbour, where you'll meet your captain and hop aboard one of our water-propelled, high-speed jet boats. After getting familiarised with the vessel's layout, amenities and safety features, you can take to the outdoor deck and get eye level with some absolutely remarkable aquatic life. We are here to teach you everything we know about these amazing creatures, get you up close and personal, and leave you with a little taste of Southeast Alaska. Rain or shine, an unforgettable adventure awaits you. Book your trip with Dolphin Jet Boat Tours today. You won't regret it.